In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online. Sending reminders is a simple but powerful way to make sure you get paid on time and to do it in a way that feels professional and friendly. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you know exactly what's happening and why. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the main left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Sales and then choose Invoices. This is where all of your invoices live, whether they're open, overdue, or already paid. Taking a moment to get familiar with this page can really help you stay on top of your receivables. Next, you'll want to locate the specific invoice you'd like to send a reminder for. You can scroll through the list or, to save time, use the search box or filters to narrow things down. For example, you might filter by status to show only open or overdue invoices. Once you've found the correct invoice, double-check that the customer, amount, and due date are all accurate, so you're not accidentally reminding the wrong person. Now, look to the right side of that invoice row. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to the option labeled Receive Payment. Click that arrow to open a small menu. From this list, select Send Reminder. This tells QuickBooks you want to email a gentle nudge to your customer about this specific invoice without actually recording a payment yet. A new window will open with an email template already filled in for you. This is where you can customize the message. Take a moment to review the subject line and body of the email. Make sure the tone matches your business style. Polite, clear, and to the point. You might want to mention the invoice number, the amount due, and the due date, so the customer has all the important information in one place. Also, confirm that the customer's email address is correct, and consider adding a brief thank you line to keep things friendly. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the wording, go ahead and click Send. QuickBooks will email the reminder to your customer and keep a record of that activity on the invoice so you can see that a reminder was sent. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can quickly send professional invoice reminders in QuickBooks Online and stay organized while improving your chances of getting paid on time.